What will happen if you do plank exercise every day for 2 minutes? Are you seeking a transformative addition to your daily routine that will take your fitness journey to new heights? Look no further than the phenomenal power of planking. This versatile bodyweight exercise has earned its status as one of the most well-liked options in the fitness world, and for good reason. It offers a fast track to incredible benefits, leveraging the weight of your own body to sculpt, tone, and strengthen. While it may seem challenging at first, with consistent practice, you'll find yourself planking for longer periods, achieving remarkable results with minimal time investment. The best part? Planking is incredibly convenient. You can do it anywhere, and the only equipment you need is an optional mat. Keep on watching to know what happens to you when you do planking every day for 2 minutes. 1. Enhanced flexibility. Daily planking offers more than just core strength, it promotes flexibility throughout the body. The plank's full body engagement stretches and lengthens muscles, enhancing the range of motion. This newfound flexibility can prevent injuries, improve athletic performance, and make everyday activities easier. Whether you're an athlete or simply seeking better overall mobility, planking for 2 minutes each day can unlock the benefits of enhanced flexibility, supporting a healthier, more agile body. 2. It makes your abs pop. This is because planks work all of the key core muscles. All of your obliques and abdominal muscles are considered significant core muscles. Additionally, you'll become stronger at executing other exercises as you get better and stronger at planks. If you regularly go to the gym, for example, you will notice a significant improvement in strength in various compound movements, such as the deadlift and squat. There's good news for girls too. Planking increases the size of your booty. 3. Improved posture. Planking is a potent posture-enhancing exercise that targets the back, neck, chest, shoulders, and abdominal muscles. Consistent daily practice effectively strengthens these muscle groups, leading to improved posture and a straighter back. This exercise combats the negative effects of prolonged sitting and contributes to a more aligned, comfortable, and confident posture over time. 4. Body balance improves. Do you often trip and fall or lose your balance while walking? Planks are for you then. You lose your balance because of weaker abdominal muscles. Exercises like planking help to enhance your balance and build your abdominal muscles. To increase your performance, try adding side planks and extended planks to your exercise routine. 5. Mental resilience. Planking for 2 minutes daily enhances mental resilience alongside physical strength. This exercise challenges both endurance and discipline, pushing individuals to maintain a challenging position. Plankers learn to focus intensely on body alignment, fostering improved concentration. Completing a 2-minute plank instills a profound sense of accomplishment and self-confidence, motivating them to tackle other challenges. Will you be starting planks tomorrow? If yes, please come back here and share your results after a month of consistent planking. In the meantime, feel free to comment on this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more fascinating facts about the human body.